Alrighty, we are here with Madonna from New Leaf Natural Therapies, and we're talking metal toxicity.
Yeah.
It's not too far away, we're going to be heading off, but let's do another recap.
Yeah. So the way that we do heavy metals, so some people might have heard of heavy metal testing. If you go to the doctors and you get a blood test, it's very rare for there to be a heck of a lot of, say, lead or mercury in your bloodstream.
Yeah.
The reason is your body is constantly cleansing your blood because that's your life force. Your body is constantly cleaning it out and trying to get rid of it. So once again, if you're not weeing, pooping or sweating it out quickly enough, your body will store it.
That's right.
So therefore, it's really hard to find it in normal blood tests.
Yeah, and we always store it in places, like, you know when you get the glands?
Oh, yeah.
The glands are up?
Yes.
Usually that's your body saying, it doesn't necessarily mean you're sick, people.
Yeah.
But it's one thing that the doctors do look for.
Yes.
And it could just mean things like you might need a good detox.
Yes.
I'm not sure.
Absolutely. And things like lymphatic drainage massage, which, has been around forever. So that's a really specific process that stimulates all your core lymphatic glands to kick them into action. I had a lady once, and she used to see a lady who used to massage each lymph node painfully and excruciatingly until it, was sort of settled down.
Ow.
Whereas it's not the way I was taught. The way I was taught is, for a start, what are you doing when you're actually releasing those toxins? Is your body ready for it? So what I was taught to do with lymphatic drainage was to stimulate all of the lymph nodes, stimulate the lymphatic system, get people to drink heaps and heaps of water and take lots of vitamin C if that's in their budget. And that's the sort of thing. And then you do it, several times.
Yeah.
But it should be nice and gentle, lymphatic drainage.
Have you ever had one?
Oh, yeah.
It's not very nice. I've had the massage, and they get right up under your arms, and they do the whole.
But it should be a little pump.
Oh,
it shouldn't be. It
no.
shouldn't be a big deep. Okay.
No,
I was taught it's very
years.
gentle. Yeah.
Mm.
So I was taught it's gentle. So
Maybe.
it's scared you off, huh?
Maybe.
I can imagine that.
What I was gonna say
Absolutely.
was maybe they just said, "Oh, look, let's just tell her we're giving
Yeah.
her a nice lymphatic massage, and we'll just hurt the absolute bejeebus out of her."
So what I do to find the heavy metals is the oligo scan. So it's a dermis palmar scanner. So what it is, it's like an ultrasound, but it's not. It basically checks 4 areas on the palm, and it's taking a readout of everything from the palm. So that's your ligaments, your tendons, your bones, your nerves, your muscles, and it's reading what's in your whole body, not just what's in your blood.
Yep.
With hair mineral analysis, it's just what your body's eliminated. So this is actually, from my perspective, it's been the most accurate thing that I've ever used in relation to heavy metal testing. I love it. And because we need people's blood group to do it, so it actually gives a 3-page report. The first page is on heavy metals, so your lead, mercury, cadmium, aluminium, etc. Second page is on your minerals like magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, copper, yada, yada, yada. And then the third page is reading proteins and how it affects your body's systems. So are you releasing enough enzymes? What's your gut health like? What's your cognitive function like? What is your oxidative aggression versus your oxidative protection? In other words, is your body going downhill faster than you're repairing it? So it gives me a very quick, simple, amazing report that we can work on stuff instantly.
That's awesome.
Takes like 5 minutes.
Yeah,
It's great.
5 minutes, and you'll get a good idea. Well, look, thank you very much,
You are
Madonna.
welcome.
Always great having you in for Bay Health. Love it.
And
Love
how
seeing
cool
you
to have the brain-gut connection on Channel 9 last night.
When the news advertised that the scientists have put a connection between gut health and all these other mental health conditions, whether it's depression, anxiety, even autism,
Yes.
they've got that correlation now. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
If anyone feels like they want to get some more information from Madonna, they can head to
New Leaf Natural Therapies, 94 Edith Street, Wynnum, or the phone number is 3348 6098.
Wonderful. I am actually heading out. I'm going to be playing one last song for you before I do, because I've had so many music to choose from. I go through my last sheet, and it's like,
Well, you started with We Are Amazing, so where are you going next?
Oh, well, what I'm actually doing is I'm going to get the Stranglers out, and we're going to get a little bit golden brown. It is just before 12. Rusty's up to take you through lunch. This is Bay FM 100.3, live and local across the bay.